Alright guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Phone Rebel Flex 15 from Everything Apple Pro for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, if you guys have seen my videos on this case before, you know I am not a fan of it whatsoever. At least for previous versions, I was not a fan. So, let's see if things have changed. I know you guys saw the title. Let's see if things have changed with the 15 Pro Max version. So, as per usual, we get a big picture of the case right here on the front. Very nice to see that. And on the back, you get a whole bunch of information. You got your 360-degree comfort, your CNC lens, anti-shock, easy swipe, ceramic coating, strong MagSafe, aramid fiber, lightweight microfiber, and a 2.75D screen protector. Now, you get a ton of information here. You've got some QR codes right there that you guys can scan and take a look at all this other information. But I'm not going to continue reading all that. Just take a look at it whenever you get a chance. But on the left and the right-hand side, it says the same thing, Flex for iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, of course, as per usual, we kind of get the same packaging as always with the Phone Rebel. Now, one thing I didn't do is I did not wipe this down. That way you guys can really get a real-time feel of how this thing looks with fingerprints. I've been using it for a couple days now. So that's that, and you guys can just kind of let me know on what you think about that. So that's pretty much it. All you kind of get is just this little paper box, so let's move that off to the side. And here we get this nice fat kit of different stuff. So we got the case, we'll set that to the side for a second. Let's take a look at what all we get on the inside here. Now, if I can get all of this out of here, let's see. So that's pretty much it right there. We'll set that off to the side. And first thing, you do get your side films. So these are little films that can go on the left and the right-hand side of your phone. That way you can get a little bit more scratch protection because, as you guys know, the left and the right side of this case are completely open. So it would go right there and right here onto the sides of your phone. That way it protects it from little scratching and things like that. So you get your guide stickers and those films right there. So nice to see that. And then, of course, you get your 2.75D tempered glass screen protector. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and install this because I do have a screen protector already on my iPhone, but you get a nice screen protector with a installation kit, so I love to see that. Thank you so much, Phone Rebel, for always doing that, so that's always great to see. Now, setting all that fun stuff off to the side, starting off with the back, we get this very nice aramid fiber texture, so you guys definitely can feel that. It provides a good bit of grip with the back because, as you know, because of the sides being open, that's kind of one of those things that is a big deal. That way you have some grip, and this is not short of any grip. It's definitely a nice texture on this aramid fiber, and you do get your aluminum camera ring, which is interchangeable. You guys can actually see the screws right there on that, as well as this Phone Rebel branding that does pop right out as well, so you can buy different colors and things like that. So taking a look at the inside, you get this very nice microfiber lining on here with this different pattern in here that helps with shock absorption. And you see it does say Flex Series all around. You have your MagSafe magnet as well as the alignment magnet right there. Now, like I said, those screws are there, and it is something that you guys can unscrew and change this camera ring. But I have heard that with the Phone Rebel series, and I have a few of their other cases, I've heard that these screws can get loose over time, at least on the Gen 5. So I'm very interested to know if you guys have experienced that, and let me know down in the comments below if you've ever experienced those screws getting loose. I personally haven't, but let me know. And also you get this TPE shock absorption material on the inside of every corner that'll help to protect your phone from drops and things like that. So you guys can see they're on all four corners right there. So before we go ahead and put our phone in here, let's bring our scale over, and we're going to weigh this and compare it actually to the Gen 5 itself. Now, I do have the Gen 5 right here, so let's take a look at first the Flex. We'll set that down, and we're talking 46 grams. So it's actually a little bit heavier than certain other full-size cases, like certain other leather cases and things like that. So it's got a little bit of weight to it, but you can definitely know that your phone is fully protected, even though the sides are open, at least from drops with this case. And weighing the Phone Rebel Gen 5, we're looking at 55 grams. So you've got a 9-gram difference here between the Gen 5 and between the Flex. So not too crazy of a difference, but that is there, and that is something to note on that. But of course, with the Gen 5, you are getting the full-on protection going all the way around, whereas with the Flex, you only get the top and the bottom, whereas the sides, this is kind of meant to feel like a naked case. To me personally, I wouldn't say it feels like a naked iPhone, but it's decently close, and we'll talk about that here shortly. But let's set the Gen 5 off to the side, and let's finally go ahead and put our 15 Pro Max in this black titanium color. So what I like to do is I put the bottom in first, and then I just kind of guide these other corners on here, and there we have it. So taking a look at the case all the way around, it is in this Phone Rebel Flex, and let's step around the sides and see how it looks. Now on the top, you do have a little bit of Flex branding, but the top is completely closed in right there. On the left-hand side, we are wide open. So all you're seeing right there is the side of my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm not going to go ahead and click the buttons because we know how they sound. Whoever has an iPhone 15 Pro Max, these are those buttons. And moving along to the bottom, which starts my first gripe with this case. And just like any of the other Phone Rebel cases, this USB Type-C port is a little too small. So you do have your accurate microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as the USB Type-C port, but bringing over our favorite anchor cable, it's a little bit too narrow. Now I got that in there with no problems, and there you go, you are charging, but it is so narrow. This is the thickest cable that is going to fit into this case. So that's a little bit of an issue. I know a lot of us use some thicker cables because they're a little bit more durable, at least some of them, and it's a little bit of an issue. You do got to kind of force the cable in there. So I would like to see this USB Type-C port get expanded just a little bit so those thicker headed cables will fit in there. But moving along to the right-hand side of the phone, like I said, completely open. There's our power button, and that's pretty much it. So taking a look at the screen and camera lip protection, let me go ahead and wipe this down real quick here for us. And looking at that screen protection, I am using a tempered glass screen protector that is not the Phone Rebel one. This is actually a Taurus screen protector. But taking a look, you're going to get that screen protection on the top and the bottom of the case. So you do get a little bit of those raised edges on the corners right there, those little claws like I like to call them. And what that's going to do is allow you to set your phone down on pretty much any surface that you want, and it's not going to scratch up your screen. So that is really nice to see. However, Phone Rebel thought about that, and they made it so these edges right here, this one and the top edge, are smoother, so that way you have no issues swiping up and down with this case. So that's a really nice touch right there on the top and on the bottom. That's a good touch, so that way you don't have any issues pretty much of swiping up and down, whether it's your control center or notification center or swiping up to unlock the phone. So that's always nice to see. And taking a look at that camera protection, of course, we have a very nice proper camera bump, so you can easily set that down on any surface. It's not going to scratch up the back of your phone case or your camera ring. And also what's nice is those same claws that are on the top right there are also on the back. They're a little bit smaller on the back side, but that's also there to help protect the back from getting scratched up, as well as give you that little bit extra of camera protection. So that's always nice to see. Now, how does this feel in the hand? And that is where my biggest gripe was with last year's Phone Rebel Flex. And the biggest thing was these edges right here, and they finally listened and smoothed them out. It is actually very comfortable to hold this case now. Now, of course, you're going to get these thicker corners right there. So if you're someone and you hold your phone like this or you hold your phone like that, you're definitely going to feel it a little bit in your palm, especially right there on those corners. How they kind of like taper down. They're still a little bit, not sharp, but you can definitely feel them. Now, of course, they claim to say that this is going to be a naked feeling case. That's not it. I can't stand behind the fact that they say that this thing feels like it's naked. It's as narrow as a naked phone, you know, because all you're feeling is the sides of it. But when it comes to thickness, this thing it's beefy. You know what I mean? It's definitely, you can feel, first of all, with that weight, you're talking about 46 grams. And then just with that thickness right there, I can't say this thing feels like a naked iPhone. If you want a case that's like only there to barely provide some protection and still feel the naked sides of your phone, you can look at something like the Arc Pulse or any of these really thin cases that barely add any width to the phone. But this one is as narrow as the naked iPhone, just not as thick or kind of as comfortable as the naked iPhone. But it is leaps and bounds better from last year's because you don't have those crazy sharp sides. Like I said last year, I couldn't find a good way to hold this case. It was really uncomfortable no matter which way I grabbed it. This one, not the case at all. It's actually very comfortable to hold. The only issue is, like I said, these little corners right there with the corner, and they're just a little bit sharp. You can kind of see that little point right there. They're just a little bit sharp over there. But other than that, it's been a pleasure to actually use this thing. And if you're someone who's looking for that drop protection, not too worried about scratching or anything like that, I think this is something that could be for you. But before we get ahead of ourselves and talk about recommendations, let's check out the MagSafe. So starting off with the Apple MagSafe wallet, that was very anticlimactic. Let's try one more time. There we go. There's our MagSafe animation right there. And we can easily and comfortably move the Apple MagSafe wallet around, and that's not going anywhere. So excellent MagSafe with the Phone Rebel Flex series on the Apple MagSafe wallet. So your leather or your fine woven wallets will have no issues being attached and staying attached to the Flex. Now moving along to the Apple MagSafe battery pack, slap that on. We do have our charging animation right there. And of course we can sit here and shake this around, shake it around as hard as you can, and this thing is not coming off. These are insanely strong magnets on the Phone Rebel Flex, and you definitely got to really push this battery pack off in order for it to come off. And finally, moving over to our Anker 623, let's go ahead and check that out. Let's see. First of all, of course, it's picking up that bass with no issues, and you can even give it a little bit of a shake before this thing comes off. I mean, it's a decent shake I'm giving it before it even is trying to come off. So that's always nice to see. And then also looking at our 360-degree test, starting off, sitting here typing your text messages, or if you are, scrolling through TikTok, Instagram, any of your vertical content, perfect, no issues right here. You can sit here and easily tap around any side whatsoever, no issues with that. And then if you decide to go ahead and watch some YouTube content, turn on your favorite Brian's Tech video, you have no issues sitting here navigating through YouTube, pausing it, playing it, rewind, fast forward, tap on any side, whatever you're doing, no issues at all. And of course, you can give it the 360-degree, I pulled it off. Let's try that one more time. Of course, give it that, 360-degree rotation test, no issues with that. And this thing's magnet is very, very strong. So, do I recommend the Phone Rebel Flex series? And I think this is the first year that I can actually say I do recommend it. The only downsides I see, one, fingerprints, but it's a phone case. You know what I mean? You kind of got to expect it. It's not the back of your phone. It's not the camera bump. It's a phone case. It's meant to get dirty. It's meant to get fingerprints on it. It's meant to show that MagSafe ring, if you guys can see that right there. And that's what it's there for. So fingerprints, yeah, they're there, but they don't bother me too much. The biggest things are just that USB Type-C port really needs to be widened up. And I just wish some kind of solution right here to still provide the same amount of protection, just a little less sharp. But either way, it's been very comfortable to hold. Yes, I can recommend this case. It's $44.99 on Phone Rebel's website, and I'll see if it's on Amazon as well. I'll leave the links down in the description below. Anywhere you can buy this case, I'll put that on there. But yeah, I mean, $45, you get the screen protector. Of course, that's a huge win with Phone Rebel every time. You get those side protectors if you want to use them, and you've got great drop protection in a nice kind of slim, thin profile. So yeah, $45. There's way more expensive cases out there on the market that offer much less than this Phone Rebel Flex does. So yes, I can recommend this case. Like I said, links are down in the description below. Let me know what you guys think about this case. Have you ever tried it? Do you use it? Do you think it feels like a naked iPhone? I'm really curious to know down in the comments below. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you're interested in a full review of either of the other Phone Rebel cases, I'll leave that right here for the Gen 5 and here for the Gen 5 Frosted.